My name is B, and I'm a minimalist.
Tell us how you got started on minimalism.
I started selling some of my stuff on eBay one after another. I just couldn't stop. And now, here we are.
Tell us a little bit about your wardrobe.
Sure, what you see me wearing right now is every single piece of clothing that I ever own. If I ever get cold, I just move around a little bit more, then you don't get cold anymore. There's really no need for more pieces of clothing. This is basically my living room over here. There's no furniture. The blinds over here, it comes with the place. Over there is my sleeping area. I just lay down, curl up into a ball like this, get comfortable, and then off I go to sleep like this. So I just sit on the floor to eat. I don't really need a table or anything. This is comfortable enough for me. If you really think about what a table is for, it's to get the food from your plate into your mouth. I can do it just as well sitting on the floor, so I don't need a table.
What do you do for entertainment?
Mainly just to contemplate. I don't need books or TV or anything. I can just do some of that right now, see?
Can you show us your bathroom?
Sure, I pretty much have nothing in my bathroom. Everything that you see here, it came with the apartment. You'll notice I have no toilet paper and no soap. Running water is all I need for this restroom. For number 2, I just use my hands and then I just rinse it off with water. I know people get all squirmish when they hear poo, but really, it's no big deal. To me, you ate that food at some point, so it should not be a problem. See, this is the hand that I do it with. There's no smell or anything. It gets rubbed off pretty quickly, okay? It doesn't smell after a while. For a quick drink, I just drink water. I don't really drink anything else, just water out of the tap. My fridge came with the apartment, so I only keep a few pieces of fruits in there. I also don't have any exercise equipment. If I want to exercise, I just do a few push-ups. You know, like that. I can do like sit-ups over here. So this is kind of like my exercise area. This is where my scale would have been. My weight pretty much stays the same year round, so I don't need it anymore, so I got rid of that too.
How do you check your email?
These days, I don't really have internet anymore. I got rid of that. Right here.
Is there anything else you want to share with us?
Recently, I got rid of my vacuum cleaner. Instead, I just use my hands. People don't see what wonderful tools our hands are these days. It can do many, many things, including cleaning up the floor. Let me demonstrate. You just kind of, rub the floor like this, and then you can gather up all the dust. There, no vacuum cleaner needed. You just kind of pick them up like this and throw it in the trash can. Napkins? I don't think I've ever bought napkins before. All I do is, just wipe your mouth like this and wipe it on yourself. You don't need it.